Want to get strong? Want to get lean? Want to get ripped? Well, now you can with Iron Gym, the multifunction training system that raises the bar on upper body exercise. Iron Gym turns any door into your own personal gym in just seconds. Its unique design wraps around your door frame and uses leverage, so there's no screws and no damage to your door. Start off with shoulder shredding, bicep burning chin-ups and pull-ups to develop and strengthen your shoulders, arms, back, and lats. And with 3 different grip positions: narrow grip, wide grip, and neutral, you can switch up your routine and keep challenging your muscles. But we're not finished there. Take it to the floor for deep push-ups for a greater range of motion and no strain on your wrists. And it's a sturdy base for tricep dips. Then finish your workout at the base of your door with gut-busting crunches for rock-hard abs and obliques.
This is the gym, Iron Gym. Just show you real quick. This is how it looks like. Now, all you do is basically put it up against this part of the door and bam!
I wanted to show you our original, just the classic retro Iron Gym. You know, this has got a lot of use out of this thing. Show you guys just some quick exercises we did on this. Just real quick, had the wide. Did the regular. Also did the chin up too. And also that exercise you guys love the most, showed you guys that reverse pull-up. About to give it to you just real quick. Just for old time's sake, because I know you guys love it. But anyway, before I show you guys the new one,